Hey Jerry, my name's Brandon and I'm with Sublime SEO Pro. And in this quick video, I'm going to give you guys 3 tips and tricks so that you can outrank your top competitor online. So when you type in HVAC company in Loveland, here's what the front page of Google looks like. So I'm not going to go over these Google ads. That's a different conversation. I will go over what the top competitor is doing to get themselves in here. So Eagle Mechanical. And I will also go over how you can be here on this front page. So I'm going to compare you guys to this company right here, 1 Hour Heating and Air, just because I don't want to go into these directories. It's a little bit more complicated and I want to keep this kind of surface level. But I'm going to show you what they're doing and compare your 2 websites to show you how they're doing it, okay? So real quick, before I get started, you're probably wondering why I'm making this video in the first place. And I realized a while ago that there are a lot of small business owners out there that are just so busy running their companies and taking care of their customers, they just don't know how to get the internet to bring them more deals. So I've been creating an attack plan and just sending them out to small business owners in my local area, and just giving out these videos for free. And my hopes is that you just get some value out of this. You know, you can take this information and you can do it on your own. Or some people call me back and say, hey, you know what, Brandon, I like you. I just don't know how to do this and I don't have the time. Can you help me do this? Can you do it for me? Whatever you decide to do with this is okay with me. My only goal is that this video proves valuable and you learn something from it, okay? So with that, I don't want to take up much time. I'm going to talk to you about 3 things today: content, backlinks, and citations. So content is king when it comes to Google. The average homepage has at least 1,500 words on it. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you have at least 1,500 words on this homepage. Okay, so that would be a good starting point. And what is in the content matters even more than the number of words. Okay, so you want to place what we call buyer intent keywords throughout your entire website and all of these different, all these different menu options. So these are keywords that people commonly type into Google when they were searching for your product or service that you can provide to them, such as HVAC company in Loveland, right? Or HVAC repair Loveland, AC repair Loveland. These are things that people are going to be searching for. So what I've done is I've pulled, this is your website, obviously, and then I have 1 Hour Heating and Air, the Loveland page for them, and I've pulled up your analytics on both of your sites. So this is a paid tool we use called Ahrefs, and it shows us here how many keywords you guys have within your website. Okay, so you guys currently have 66 keywords, and I've pulled up 1 Hour Heating and Air in this tab, and they have 114 keywords. So their 114 keywords is generating 85 traffic per month. This is usually underreported, so it's typically higher. But so 114, 85 per month. You guys have 66 keywords, helping generate 33 per month. So they're getting about 3 times as much traffic, and they have about twice as many keywords. Okay, so that's the first thing. So all you need to do is go into their keywords and figure out which words that are in here have buyer intent. So you can see that they're ranking at a high position on a lot of these keywords. AC repair Loveland, air conditioning repair Loveland, right? They're ranking 3rd, 2nd, 3rd. They have high rankings, high positions in Google for these keywords. So if these keywords are working for them, you just need to use the same keywords and then add even more keywords. And there are ways that we can do that so that we power up your website, okay? So that's the first thing. Get your site, your homepage up to 1,500 words, and then just fill up your entire website with as many keywords as possible. Buyer intent keywords, okay? The second thing I want to talk to you about is what a backlink is. So a backlink is when another website links to yours and drives traffic to you. So Google is like a giant popularity contest, and they want to see a bunch of trustworthy, relevant websites linking to yours. Okay, but not all backlinks are created equal. You'll get a lot more power from having quality backlinks over quantity. Okay, so you guys currently have 780 backlinks coming from 19 different websites. Your competition has less backlinks than you. They have 306 backlinks coming from 30 different websites. Okay. So they, it's hard to see exactly why that is. We'd have to do more research, but you have more backlinks, but that doesn't mean that you guys are, that doesn't mean that you have relevant backlinks. So you need to go through your backlinks and make sure that they are relevant and trustworthy. And then I would also go through and see what their backlinks are, and any of these that you can add yourself to that they have, like this one. This is relevant because it's a HVAC and furnace repair service. You want to go into these, and if you don't have this backlink already, you want to list yourself, and that would be considered a backlink for you. Okay, so that's the second thing. Make sure you have as many quality backlinks. I would get as many as possible. So get 780 relevant and trustworthy backlinks. And then the next thing I want to talk to you about real quick is how to get into this map pack. So in order to get up to this map pack, you want to get as many citations as possible. So a citation is anywhere that you can list your business name, address, and phone number. So generally, you're putting yourself into directories to get these citations. So you need to figure out how many citations Eagle Mechanical Inc. is listed in, list yourself in all of the same ones, and then add yourself to even more. So if they're in 200, add yourself to 300 so that you can beat them out in citations, okay? So that's all I have for you guys. You can do two things with this information. You can run with it on your own, and the sooner you get started, the faster you can get up to this front page of Google. There's a lot of business to be had with being relevant and found on Google. If you guys have questions or feedback, I would love to hear your feedback, and I really appreciate your time. I hope you found it valuable. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.